What's up, you snoopers? This video we gonna be working on this turbo integra. As you can see, I already started. I took off my exhaust manifold because it started to crack, and you know you can't roll like that. You lose boost pressure. So this is the one that was on there, and I had it welded before, but you know once these things start to crack, it's hard to keep them from cracking. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a crack right. If you like right when you can see it starting to come back. That little crack right there. Yeah, right there. You can see it's a crack. It cracked before, and I believe the reason it cracked, this metal plate right here, I had it welded on there after the fact, after it had already cracked. But usually when you buy them, it should have a plate right there to support this, because as you can see, you got a lot of weight from this wastegate hanging in the front, and it put a strain back here. And what it do, it'll crack from you driving, hitting dips, bouncing around. You know, the weight is constantly putting pressure on this flange right here. This one came with the flange already, and so I don't have to do it. Hopefully this is supported enough to where it won't crack like this one did. This one held up for about 2 years. This is Rev 9 rev arm, equal length turbo manifold for twin cam Honda. This one is Power Go, the same manufacturer that made the turbo manifold for the Camaro over there. It was a little bit cheaper, and it came with the brace or the bracket right here to support the flange. So, you know, I already bought one Power Go Motorsports turbo exhaust manifold for the Camaro, so I figure I try it again for the turbo integra. So we gonna throw this bad boy on there. Make sure it fit, because just because it's new and it says it'll fit, don't mean it's gonna fit. So that boy, it's over with. I'm gonna try to resell it. Maybe somebody know how to weld it or whatever. But I'll put it up for a little bit, and if it don't sell, in the trash it go, because I ain't got no use for it. So I just gotta take off the wastegate from there, put it on here. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna mock this up, make sure everything fit in the bolts on the flange. Not the wastegate flange, but the T3 flange at the bottom. Make sure everything line up, because for some reason I got a log manifold, and that bad boy don't want to go back no more. So I don't know what's the deal with that. So I'm gonna line this up and make sure it fit, man. Y'all hold tight. Whoop, there it is. Got that bad boy on there. Ooh, it looking good. It looking good, don't it? I got gloves on, because if you touch this, whatever grease or oil you get on there, you better try to get it off, because once the heat get to it, it's game over. So I got gloves on. Everything's looking good. It lined up in the back. Everything fell into place. I got one bolt in there, and I peeked through the holes, make sure the holes lined up. But we looking good. Everything looking good. So that look like it's gonna be cool. So I'm gonna take it back off, and like I say, I gotta take the wastegate off there and put it on this one, and then mock everything back up. Gotta put the gasket in between, and take it from there. So what, y'all sit tight. I ain't got no pod to hold my phone while I do all this here work. So, you know, y'all just go see things come off and see things go on. By the way, this Power Go Motorsport, this exhaust manifold cost me $249. With tax, I think it was like $251, $256, something like that. This one, when I bought it a while back, it was $300, I think $315. And I don't know if it was best offer, but this one was $300 minimum, $300. This one $250, and I ain't a metal guy, but to say this one is scheduled 40. If anybody, you know, leave a comment in the section below if I did good or did bad. Cause that one, all it said was stainless steel 304. This one, it says it's kind of confusing, because it say schedule 40 in the description or the title, but then part of the description say stainless steel. So I don't know if they wanted the same or what. Like I say, I don't know much about metal, but it was in my price range, and like I said, I wanted to give them a shot since I already purchased them for the Camaro, and we're gonna see how it goes. See how long this thing lasts. If I can get 2 years out of it, hey, I'm good. $250 for 2 years. I can't complain, baby. I'm the eBay racer. It's got this bad boy bolted all up. It went back the same way the other ram horn went. So this Power Go Motorsports looking real good. I haven't drove it yet. I'm trying to let that silicone dry. Got the bolts back in there. But your boy back up and running. So y'all should see some more Integra videos coming sometime soon. But I got some other things I gotta get to. Gotta get finished working on that bad boy beast over there. And once I do that, I get back on this car, do some videos and all that good stuff. One difference, the flange, the holes for the flange on my other manifold was threaded, so you just thread a bolt in. This one, as you can see, I had to put a nut on the back because it's just a straight shot, no threads. So luckily I had some bolts laying around that I put in there, but guess what? The dang on kit came with bolts for that, and I didn't realize it until I had already spent the hour looking for bolts and all that dumb stuff. So just pay attention to what you're doing. Not like myself, I'm a numbskull, and it's all good though. We got it on there, so look good, but it won't stay this color. At least the other one didn't. That manifold, the dark one down there, used to be this color when I first put it on there, but once the heat and everything get to it, it'll darken up, just like myself. Alright, so that's gonna conclude this video. And when I take this bad boy for a test drive, I'll do some shots, some footage, so y'all can see how it works and if it's worth the $250. This whole entire turbo kit will be in the what you call that dang on thing, man? The description. So I'm gonna put links to the manifold, the turbo, wastegate, the whole kit. You know, this was a one kit from Rev 9. So, you know, I'm gonna put all that in there. So if in case you see something up here that you like, you can find it down there in the description box. So I'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. And if you ask me, this Power Go, it looks pretty good, man. It looks about as good as the other one I had on there when I first bought it. So, and this one came with the bracket. So hopefully it'll support all this weight in the front. As you can see, I got a lot going on in the front. Got this wastegate and got the dump tube and all that. So that's a lot of weight. When your car bounces up and down, it puts stress on his neck right here. So they put brackets that keep it from cracking, like my other manifold. So hopefully it hold up. But I talk too much. Love y'all. Bye. This ain't over.